At Riverway Plumbing, we make your life easier. We specialize in trenchless sewer lining, the no-dig solution that saves your yard, your time, and your money. From plumbing repairs to heating and cooling, Riverway Plumbing has you covered. Trusted service, reliable results. Serving Central and Southern Indiana. Call 812-327-8080 today for your free estimate or scan the QR code to learn more. Riverway Plumbing and Mechanical, making life easier.